but me can confirm to you, man, where fuck you. Can me say your blood clot pussy in a grip and grab. You stretch out like a blood clot elastic band. Come we talk about that. Your belly blood clot hurts you, girl. You can't talk to
that, man. Listen, honestly,
I live in a good house. I'm live with my picnic there. Remember that. Yeah, just know that and remember that. I grow good. But I'm telling you all the time, I will answer any blood clot, drunk cry, any dog shit will come. I just tell pussy for true. I just fuck the girl for true.
Picture that.
You know, Jay, you never see the, you did, wait. You didn't see the naked picture with her and the female in bed and she was rude naked and fingering herself. And yeah, I've got the stuff. The girl sent out a picture. Yeah. Shitty blood clot cheese. We have to walk with plastic bag and that blood clot or cheese. Remember you're leaking up. Remember your son is a proper blood clot. Trying to remember anything come out of my good pussy, it can't blood clot condemn. Remember your one boy pick me is a batty man. Y'all can't blood clot chat to me. Y'all talk about money. Bitch, me that's money in your blood clot face. No. You idiot girl. You know you can't walk nothing in my old shoes. Bitch, bye.
I'm cute.
And you come and you post the blood clot